Greg Marcy here of Kentucky Small Batch Strings. First, I just want to take a second and throw some things out there. I just do this for fun. If someone did need a fiddle fixed, I would be glad to do it for a fee. But right now, I'm learning, so I don't really want to go into business or anything like that. Someday it would be nice after I retire to possibly just sit around and make and deal in violins, and that'd be okay. But I just do this for fun. I do it for personal satisfaction, and I enjoy taking something old and making it workable and usable again, especially musical instruments. I think that's fascinating. I think their history, and I just enjoy doing it. I'm not going into business for myself anytime soon. That may be a retirement plan for me, like I said, but I just enjoy what I do. If you like what I do and you'd like to subscribe to the content, that'd be great. We'd love to have you. Thank you for supporting our channel, for those of you who've been supporting it. If you would like to possibly participate in some of our stuff, if you need a fiddle fixed up that you think would be a good idea, you can reach me at, where am I? Greg Marcy at Kentucky Small Batch Strings, greg.marcy@yahoo.com, and there's my phone number as well. 859-753-5388. You can give me a call, and we could possibly discuss something after I see some pictures and get an idea of what it would take to fix it up. I just enjoy doing it, and I enjoy making videos about it. It's fun for me. It's kept me busy through the pandemic and kept me a little bit sane. So, but today's video, I just wanted to touch base on that and do a box opening of a violin I got in that I barely paid anything for. I do a lot of online auctions that I just watch just to kind of keep an eye on what instruments are going for what values. It kind of helps me judge, what certain violins are worth or not worth. I've bid before on violins that end up going for thousands of dollars, and I was the starting bid at $50 with my fingers crossed. So it's a wild world when you get into it. But this one I got at a reasonable price. I like the look of it. I've tried owning several of these copies of an Amati, and I don't think I've had a working one yet. I've got several in that are, in need repair. I have one that needs refinishing, and I'm going to try to do a French polish on it once I learn how to French polish, because I want to do that the right way. But this copy of this Amati I got in the mail today, and I wanted to do a box opening on it. I've got my camera up here, as well as the one directly in front of you, so I'll try to do a side-by-side when I start opening the box. So here we go. Okay, there's that. I'm going to take some finagling here. It's got a latch. Now, this is the first time I've ever seen one of these old coffin cases with a latch on it that actually worked. So I'm wondering now if there's a key. Oh, there we go. Alright, so this is kind of cool. Yeah. Busted up rosin laying right there on the top. Wow, this looks like exactly like another Amati that I have, which is kind of cool. What the heck is that? Oh, this was kind of shoddy packing. I'm just going to set this off here because I sometimes like to see what's in the case first. I'm going to take a look inside the case, and there is I don't know what that is. Wow. And looks like one of these old-timey shoulder rests. That's downright old-timey! What we used to say in the old days. seen one of these in person. I've seen them. I've never seen one of these close up before. It's up and I have to look how it's done. Try that. I bet that's better than a Bon Musica. I love my Bon Musica until it snapped. Some old bridges that look cool in the window. Leave right there. And now let's check out the bow. I like to take my time opening a violin because you never know what you're gonna get. Old round stick bow. It looks like it says C. Bosch on here. Nothing too spectacular about the frog. It's missing an eyelet. I don't think I'll be using that. Octagon sticker for the shaft, and then it goes around. And on this it says whale. I don't know. Let's see if I can make that out. Maybe AIL or VAIL, or maybe it's just random markings. I don't know. Doesn't look like it. Why would anybody do that? That's stupid. I'll have to look into that. BAUSCH. C period Bosch. I'll lay that up here on my. Alright. And this says Cremonese. Uh-oh. Top feels loose. Cremonese Stradivarius. Oh, this isn't the one I thought it was. This is the other one. Hey, out. Both of you, out. Both of you, out. Why don't you knock on the door first?
Sorry. Can I tell you a joke?
And not right now. Go ahead.
Sorry. What do the Marauders, what do the Marauders, you know who the Marauders, this is a Harry Potter joke. What do the Marauders do after using the Marauders map?
What?
They take a Marauders map.
Get out before I punch you in the face.
Is it funny?
Yeah. Get out. Yeah, this was the one from New York, I guess. Yeah. The back separated on it. So. It's a Stradcom. Okay. Antonio Stradivarius, Cremonese. $1901. Special model. Ooh, it's a special model. Thank you, Mr. Stradivarius. 1901. That makes it 120 years old. Who knows? This is 1901 right there. Well, get a look at this back. Some beautiful flaming there. It's a beautiful rich color under that light. That's a nice color. I love that back. Yeah, got some damage here. This is not the violin I thought it was. I did buy this violin, but this is not it. This is not the Amati that I thought was coming in. This one is a Strad copy that I bought. So, got some cracks to clean up and kind of hide some stuff there. That is pretty great on the top, though. It's nice and tight. Oh, what's this side say? Salvador de Duro. Oh yeah, New York. B&J New York. Full importers. I've owned a... okay. I bought this one after I bought the other one that I thought was coming in. This one is the Salvador de Duro Strad that I bought out of New York. Yeah, I've owned one like this before, except it was like a dark, weird purplish color. It's very heavy. This one's not like that at all. It's very light. I had one. Gosh, I owned that one probably about 25 years ago. I was about 20 years old when I bought it. I bought it off a guy down. We live past. I can't remember what their community's called. They're past Richmond, Kentucky, somewhere. Not Waco. Something like Texas. I don't remember. Anyway, it's not important. But I bought that one down there, and it was heavy, heavy, heavy. This one has, it's got some pretty beauty to it. The wood grain is downright beautiful. I'm gonna have to do some touch up here. See what I can work out. But scroll's kind of small, and they've pinned black outlined it, painted, highlighted it. It's odd looking. See if I can put anything in there. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna stand up and show them here. Repair to do there. Won't be too bad. Salvador de Duro. Oh my. Let's see if you can see anything inside there. Nope. But there's another one to hang up right here, right now. So anyway, that was the unboxing for today. Thank you for joining me. Like I said, there's my collection so far. No beaters, but gosh, I'm looking forward to them. I'm still waiting to hear from the Kentucky Arts Council about the grant that Mr. Tommy Case and I have worked on together about me apprenticing under him for a year. And I should hear something about, I think, mid-June or July is what he said. So anyway, we're just waiting to game out on that one. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Again, thank you for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in future episodes.